Hello everyone. I have come up with some simple tricks to start thinking in English. So let's start. Start with simple words. Begin by naming everyday object in English like table, chair or door. Gradually think of sentences like this is my chair. Talk to yourself. Practice speaking short sentences in your mind. I need to buy milk today. What should I eat for breakfast? You use English for simple decisions. When deciding something, think it in English. Should I wear blue or white today? Narrate your day mentally. Describe what you are doing. I am brushing my teeth. Now I am going to work. Learn phrases, not just words. Focus on common phrases like hello, how are you? I need some help. Later on, label things around you. Put sticky notes in English on items in your room or in workplace. For an example, mirror, bottle, and so on. Then you practice small conversation. Imagine someone asking you a question and reply in English in your mind. What is your name? My name is Geek. What are you doing? I'm having my meal. Watch, listen, and mimic some English series. If you hear and listen English, then it is natural that you copy and start speaking. Thinking in English takes time. Start small but be consistent and gradually move from words to full sentences. And dear friends, if you like the video, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon and I will see you in the next video.